Hello and welcome guys to this interesting session of JavaScript part 13. In this session we are going to discuss about JSON object inside our JavaScript. Guys, this is the part 13 of the series. If you missed my previous session, I will give the video link on the video description. Please check it out. And if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for future notification so that you will not miss my videos. Let's get started. JSON. JSON is a format for storing and transporting data. JSON is often used to data is sent from server to a web page or from web page to the server. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. JSON is lightweight data interchange format. JSON is language independent. JSON is self-describing and easy to understand. The JSON syntax is derived from JavaScript object notation syntax, but the JSON format is only code for reading and generating JSON data be written in any programming language. Any programming language can read and write JSON format. Prior to JSON, we have XML, extended markup language, which was supporting to only limited programming language. But in case of JSON, it's supporting to all programming language. To write the code, the syntax of JSON object is like this. So you can see there is a object name and there is a properties and value. So let's go to our Visual Studio Code and do the programming. So if you are following me my previous session, so I'm already, if I upon Visual Studio Code, and I'm already running a JavaScript session folder, which is this one, already completed session 12. Now I'm going to add session 13. After completion of this session, I will give this complete video, complete HTML link in Google Drive and download link in the video description. So you can also download. So for now, I'm just copy paste everything from the previous class. And I no need of JavaScript till now. Okay. And this will be session 13 and will be, which will be called as JSON, JavaScript Object Notation. So I told you we can declare like this. Okay, so let's go to our code. So I can declare a variable like var myJSON equal to this one, right? Now after this, I can take this JSON text and convert into JSON object. How I can do this? To convert JSON formatted text to JSON object, we can directly declare a, let's say, var obj equal to json.parse. Json.parse is a inbuilt method create a JSON object from the text. So I will put this one, my JSON. So this is my JSON, and JSON, the class name is employee, and they have the class is few properties like first name and last name. And first name property John, last name is Doe. First name is Anna, last name is Smith, right? So in the next line, we created, this is a simple JSON formatted text. And next line, we created a JSON object using json.parse. It's a inbuilt method. Next, how we can use this JSON object in our programming. Let's see. Normally I was showing in alert. Now I will go to the body section. I will add a body and I will add a div. And ID will be like my data. Here I can directly write document dot get element by ID my data dot value equal to my JSON, sorry, object. I will take obj dot employee dot first name. So this is obj is my JavaScript object name, and employee is the parameter, the class name which is JSON contents. Here I am giving 0 dot first name, right? And I can give a concatenation. So I will give like this. This will be first name, this will be last name. Now run the application, save the file, go to run, start debugging, web app. Okay, there is some error. Let's see what is the error. Right click on the page, go to inspect, and you can see the console here. So what is saying? Value cannot set property of null set cannot set property of null setting value. So why it is saying null? Let's the value is for text box, checkbox, and other. Now we are taking a div, my data div, which will be div, and so I am putting into inner HTML. Save it, go to the browser, rerun, refresh it. See, cannot set the properties of null setting inner HTML. So I think I did some mistake in get element by ID. Okay, leave it. I will put directly alert. It will be good. Right now, save it. Go to browser and John D. Now you can modify this one to employee. I know I want to, so it will come Peter Jones. So let's see. Save it. Go to browser. Refresh it. Peter Jones. Right. So in this way we can create a JSON text, convert into JSON object, and use inside our HTML file. Guys, I hope you like this session. If you do, give me a like and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.